Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Windows activations error and how to resolve, guys. So first method, guys, run Windows Activator troubleshooter. So guys, click to start, go to setting. If there clicked on the start key and setting option is not getting, you can search here setting. Okay, like that. Okay, come to point. Then guys, click to system, scroll down, click on the activation. Then guys, click to troubleshoot. Okay, and wait few seconds. Okay, this is first method. Wait, then guys, next method. Second method, guys, verify re-enter product key. So same locations, click to go to setting, then click to system, scroll down, click to activation, and then click to product change, and again type your product key. Okay, third one, complete pending Windows update. So guys, if you have a pending update, so firstly you have to download and install. Click to start, go to setting, Windows update, and click for Windows update. If any showing here KB series and every pending update, so you have to first download and install it. Okay, and restart your system, and then follow the odd method which is you facing the issues. Next method. So guys, next step, run system file checker and DIMS. So click to start, type CMD, and right click to run as administrator, and click to yes. Then this command I will give in description, so you can directly copy paste one by one. Copy and hit enter. That is command in corrupt system file can cause random reboot. SFC can detect and repair those file, and DAMS can fix the Windows image issues. Okay. It will complete 100%. Then type second command, this one, and then this one, and one by one by one.
Then first one is completed, then copy second command, and you can type manually if it is not copy paste. Then type to hit enter. Okay. Then third one, then fourth last,